Today we're going to look at Dynamics GP 2016 and using the Workflow 2.0 engine along with Office 365. We're going to assume in this video that your Office 365 tenant is already configured. So we're going to go into Tools, Setup, System, Workflow Setup in order to configure Dynamics GP to communicate with Office 365. You'll want to include the following information, starting with your email address. This is what will be displayed as the sender email address for any emails that come from the Workflow engine. The display name will also be included. The server name is going to be smtp.office365.com and the port is 587. You'll also want to make sure that this checkbox requiring a secure connection is checked. Next, select Basic Authentication and enter in a valid Office 365 user account and password. Typically, we'll use a role account for this purpose rather than an individual user. Checking Enable Email Actions will allow your users to interact with the Workflow engine directly from Outlook. In order to do so, make sure you have the server name listed of a machine that has Dynamics GP Web Services configured. The next step is to test the email configuration. Click Test Email and enter in a valid email address. Then click the Test Email button. Don't just click OK or it will not send. You'll receive a notification that GP attempted to deliver the email. Press OK, and then let's take a look. And there's our message. Next, we're going to take a look at Workflow Setup. We're going to go to Tools, Setup, Company this time, Workflow, and Workflow Maintenance. In this screen, we can determine which workflows are enabled and how they're configured in terms of requesting approval from which users under which circumstances. Here we can see that we have a requisition approval created, and there is one step asking for approval from the following user. That happens to be the user that we're logged in as, so if we submit a requisition, we should expect to get an email using this template. So let's take a look at what exactly is going to be sent in that template. If we click on the template link, we're taken directly to the message setup window where we can see the config of the message. And if you've ever worked with a mail merge template before, this is going to look pretty familiar. Most of these fields are included in the stock template, but one in particular that I've added to this template is this one here, Document Line Fields. I did that by selecting it right here from this pull-down menu, Document Line Fields, and clicking Insert. Now that, as you might imagine, contains all of the document lines, which makes the email a lot more useful to users that might want to know more about the requisition, such as the individual items that are on it, their cost. Anything that we want to include from the requisition can be included in a chart on that email, which we'll see in a moment. So we'll open up our requisition in Purchase Requisitions. We have it entered already, and we'll hit Submit. We can enter in any comments here that we would like, and the requisition is submitted. Here we can see the email, and we have not only action items that allow us to approve, reject, or delegate, but we also have a chart containing the detailed information from the requisition. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel or contact Crestwood at info@crestwood.com. Thanks for watching.